guys, retired at 40. Thanks for tuning in. Beside me is a 1930s tri-mount coin company vending machine. And I just got done restoring it. If you want to see the process, here we go. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the very first steps of the process. You can see from these pictures that the finish was pretty bad. There was some pitting and some rust. And I really don't like to mess with a lot of the original finish unless I have to, but I feel like this machine benefited quite a bit by it. I ended up putting quite a few coats of primer on. It really helps fill in the imperfections and pitting and rust areas that just aren't taken off when you sandblast. The machine's 80 to 90 years old, so you can imagine over the course of that time that it just really has quite a few imperfections. That turned out awesome. Now I have to fill in this little tiny detail that says snacks. That's going to be the most difficult part. Okay, my next step is to just clean up all these knobs, clean up all the rust and corrosion and stuff off of them. And you can tell how old this machine is because it's a 1-cent machine. So 1 cent would get you candy or peanuts. Okay, next I just need to clean up this coin mech, and I lucked out on this because it actually works. All the coin mechs work on it, which is good because that's usually a pretty difficult thing if it does not work. It's hard to get parts, especially for something like this. They didn't make very many of these in the first place, so trying to find a donor machine is not easy to do. But next I'm going to clean up these knobs and then the dispenser flaps here. Alright, I think it's time to start putting some stuff back together. Our next step is to get these coin slots to go back into here. Well, looks like a winner to me. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next time.